guys, welcome to Thomas and Colin's Press and Thomas' friends at Agilation Degree. Check it out, look at this. This peacock is small. Let's open it. Okay guys, look at this. So amazing. Okay. Look at this. And a tree. I said. This one. This place. Look at this. Thomas. Labuan, look at this. Look at Labuan. I got ducks. And I saw the size. And then Colin's Preston, Thomas, Christine, and I see the tree. Hey, Andy. I'm doing the baby. Hey guys. Look at this ball I found. Rose Coastal. Hey, look at this ball I found. Whoa, it's Rose Coastal. Look at Rose Coastal. Look at this.